Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining two essentials: honest data and immediate action. First, list 10 activities you enjoy and rate each one 10. This quantifies preference. Next, record 3 tasks where you lost track of time to reveal intrinsic motivation. Then ask 3 people what you do effortlessly to surface outside perspective. Once done, synthesize overlaps and pick one small experiment to run this week. Make sure to commit time and track outcomes clearly. You now move into systematic testing. Design a focused experiment for 1 to 2 weeks targeting activities that showed up repeatedly. Measure objective metrics like time spent, outcome quality, and how often you voluntarily return to the task. Keep a simple log or timer and a quick daily rating of enjoyment. Once you gather data, analyze patterns versus your initial list and feedback. Make sure to iterate, tweak variables, repeat experiments, and prioritize activities with You finish by choosing the activity that combines measurable skill and genuine enjoyment, then commit to scaling it with a 90-day plan focused on deliberate practice and public feedback. Break goals into weekly milestones, solicit critique, and document progress to reinforce learning. If progress stalls, try one troubleshooting step, reduce scope to a micro-experiment, ask a mentor for targeted guidance, or change feedback frequency. Remember, small adjustments expose blind spots quickly. Use them to keep momentum and confirm this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.